One vision, many minds. I'm indeed very excited to speak about the legendary cartoonist, late Sri R.K. Lakshman, whose legacy I'm taking forward to introduce his achievements that lasted for over 60 years. His legacy is not just for preserving, it needs to be built and established for many generations to come. Lakshman often says, "My sketch pen is not a sword, it's my friend." His cartoons and sketches were without malice, humorous, profound, made you think, and consistent. His cartoon iconic character, the common man, speaks for itself. It speaks about empathy, sympathy, fear, anger, wonder, care, concern. All of that you could, see in his cartoons. But what fascinated me was the humor that was punched in his cartoons, besides all the detailing that you can see in his cartoons. This became a responsibility for me to ensure that his work continues to thrive and it is consistent for one and all. Hence, I took up the task to create all his works, which runs in volumes. Here I'm talking about more than 60 years of his work, cartoons every single day. How am I going to do this? It was a big challenge for me. But I'm indeed thankful to my mother in law, who had this unique habit to paper cut all his cartoons and sketches and his written work right from day one. Here I'm talking about since early 1940s till 2010 almost. She used to religiously paper cut them, and that kind of actually came of great help for me when I decided to archive his work. When I actually delve into researching and getting into his artwork, is when I realize that his artwork touches upon every subject that you can think of, and it indeed strengthens the mind of the people to look at things way differently and deeply. So, what is it that kind of intrigued him and made him so articulate that every single day he was sketching cartoons, continues consistently for over 60 years, punched with humor, analyzing situations, and then thinking about the various current situations that comes his way, also looking at the various draftsmanship, the color combination, the character, the landscapes, and the props, and not to forget the punched humor captions that you see. All of that in one single frame is when it intrigued me and realized that there is so much fodder for young and old. So, my thing of carrying his legacy forward, of just archiving, made it a passion for me. So, I took this up as a passionate project and created ideas, conceived ideas, and devised a very comprehensive art education program for the young minds. To begin with, the formative years, if art, I realize, is introduced, it's going to help them in many ways to think creatively and critically. So, if I can run through his cartoons, you can see this is one example of memory and attention span. Art actually boosts memory. It's like when you draw, you are actually translating information virtually and visually, kinesthetic, as you say. Your hand movement involves in photography memory that gets stored in your brain. Art also helps in relieving stress and anxiety. It helps in concentration and strengthening your attention span, and thereby enhancing your neural pathways. So there is like cognitive stimulation that happens, and the brain helps you to create new ideas and also helps in the growth of many new brain cells. Expression of the subconscious is doodling. I always wondered, like when artists used to, spend their spare time to relax themselves, they would doodle. But I think it is they have not realized that subconsciously they are actually germinating new ideas and creating new concepts. As you can see, this is not just a casual sketch. There is so much humor punched in, so much, messages that one conveys even in doodling. This kind of fascinated me and helped me to use this in my comprehensive art education modules. Something like this intrigues the mind of a young child to think very differently and ponder over various ideas. Lakshman was fascinated with the bird crow, and he never got interested with any other birds but the crow, because he felt it was very close to human. It had the sense of timing, time management. When you feed a crow, as you know, it comes to you every day almost the same time, self disciplined, and it is also very clever like human beings and can count up to 7. That's kind of fascinating. So character carries meaning, because even in an in an object you can create a character. So character plays a very important role in a cartoon sketch, because that becomes the main base to tell a story, along with all the detailing that comes in a caricature, for instance, the posture, the facial expression, the costumes, and it actually brings out the real self of the personality that you see, and it helps in the draftsmanship. And that was a unique, USP for Lakshman, because the kind of caricatures that he did across the world, the various personalities, kind of helped him in various ways. So this kind of self taught vision and philosophy that Lakshman had, with the power of observation, thinking critically, looking at situations differently, and also involving in various subjects and looking beyond boundaries, that kind of fascinated him. And art as is a medium of imagination that cannot be measured. So if you look at the detailing again, it is very interesting to watch the social cartoons that he used to sketch. Lakshman had something very interesting to say about children. Children should develop their skills in art. The urge for drawing and sketching is inborn in everyone, and all that one needs to become an artist is to develop the faculty of observation. And so it is very interesting to know that visual art helps in curiosity based learning. It is a very powerful medium of expression, and it also enhances your communication skills. It helps in your writing skills, in your narrative power, in your drawing skills, and thereby also helps in your academics in a way to articulate and comprehend, and being able to have understanding power also. This is a very interesting sketch that I have used to almost more than 3,000, 4,000 students across, and just to tell them to develop the faculty of observation. Believe me, every single child came out with different versions of the way they look at the sketch. And it is very fascinating to learn from the child's point of view and the child's perspective what a single simple cartoon can actually delve out many ideas in the minds of the children. This further enhanced me to actually improve upon my art education modules. And of course, in formal education, children do have a choice to, to choose what they want. But my idea that I have conceptualized kind of comprehends them to look at learning in a very different way across generations, where we are also looking at the Gen Z, the digital natives, as they are popularly called, and the traditional art and technology actually also helps in the digital printing, as you see, 3D animation, virtual reality, augmented reality, VFX, animation, and not to forget the artificial intelligence that the human creative and the machine, the mastering of a machine that comes together. And Lakshman's artwork blends very well, even in something like this. The art education program, which I developed, and my main objective was to educate students in the field of art so that they could have an imaginative mind to create novel ideas, and also be able to be creative in their thinking and bring about creative ideas for themselves, which can help them in their journey of their career throughout their lives. Art education, the qualitative inputs that I have observed through my education module is artistic empowerment, confidence boost, academic upliftment, community-based learning, and enhance communication skills. I've had a very interesting journey in bringing the works of Lakshman in a very comprehensive way to be able to share this with the students and help them to become critical in their thinking and creative way. It has been a unique experience, and my concept to develop this further continues, and the innovative ways will not stop me from creating more and more new ideas to be able to make education taught in a very different way. Hence, I conclude by saying that my thought of the vision impacting through Lakshman's artwork of many minds is creating new ideas, finding solutions, and if it is shown in action, it creates an impact, and most importantly, the consistency that sustains it. And indeed, my dream and my vision did stand by me, and I hope to continue this forever. Thank you.